cloud, a visible mass of condensed water vapor floating in the atmosphere. That was in the 20th century. Today, a cloud is a large group of remote servers networked to allow centralized data storage and online access to computer services or resources. Operating systems based on internal hard disks like Windows or Mac OS are gradually being replaced by an OS based on cloud, especially on tablets and laptops.
This is what's known as a Chromebook. It looks like an ordinary notebook where you'd expect to find Windows. But the operating system has nothing to do with Windows, even though it's done in a similar way. The big difference is that it's based almost entirely on its relationship with the cloud, with the internet. It's only equipped with a small amount of internal storage to save files temporarily when you're not connected, for example. But almost everything is done in the browser when you're connected to the network. This kind of device follows a change in trend that we've witnessed and experienced in recent years. Until recently, our computers were filled with programs, one for each use, for writing texts, for photos, etc. Now more and more users tend only to have the operating system and the internet with a web browser. This way we can access a range of content and services which are downloaded in real time from the network.
What are the advantages and drawbacks of this technology?
Let's start with the drawbacks. The first is your need to change your way of working. You can't load your old programs, for example those that are compatible with Windows or Mac OS. The reason is that the operating system is different. The advantage is that you have a machine that's quite cheap, very simple, and doesn't require a large storage capacity. It allows you to do the vast majority, if not all, of what the average user needs to do. In the future, you'll be constantly connected, wherever you are. Broadband is more and more widespread, albeit a bit patchy across Europe. Free and public hotspots are spreading and should continue to do so, allowing better internet connection. So nowadays, with services increasingly being stored in the cloud, you'll be using your PC simply as a connected object.
The major issue is security, of course. Hacking is a risk. But on the other hand, the advantage is that your data is not physically on your computer. If you lose it, if it's stolen, or if your hard disk breaks down, you can start working again immediately on another computer.